you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein for June. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So June's Globein just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, you guys, I don't remember which theme that I chose, to be quite honest. So let's go ahead and dive in and see which one I chose. All right, so once you cut the tape and you first open it up, that's what it looks like. Right on top, we do have the book, and it is the chef box is what I chose. Still don't really remember what's in there, but that's one good thing about this box. They have so many different ones to choose from. It's hard to keep up, but that's what it looks like when you first open it up. And if you do not know, with Globein, they have so many different things that you can choose from that you get to choose yourself, or you can choose the monthly box, or you can have them surprise you and just send you a random box. And if it's not something that you like, you can always save it and gift it as a gift, because everything that I've received, I'm actually love. So you can always use it as a gift, or if you got something yourself and you want somebody else to have it, you can get the same theme to use as a gift for another person, which I really like. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what items. Ooh, yeah, this box looks like it did get some wetness. The box looks wet and my thing is wet. So hopefully everything inside is okay, and it's just the paperwork that got a little moist. Let's see. But at least they're back to they're back to like an actual full brochure. Before it was just like a little small thing and you had to like scan the QR code. Now I have my brochure back, which I actually do like. And I did see there's an actual recipe back here in here. And it is for pasta carbonara with bacon and peas, and that looks amazing. I'm gonna need to, good thing I didn't ruin anything. I'm making that one day. That looks amazing. Always look through your paperwork, you guys. You never know what you're gonna find in here. So let's go ahead and just start with the products. The first thing right on top, I believe this is an apron, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, oh, and it's just like a lap one. No, it's a waist one. It's not a full, it's just to go around your waist. I like that, because the ones that I have are all full, like, you know, from like around my neck down. I don't have one like this. And it does have, oh, I guess they make bags and all kinds of stuff. That was in the pocket. I had a little pocket card. So yeah, so you have a regular apron that you just tie around your waist. So that is really neat. Let me see where this comes from. Let's see, where's the apron? Here we go. Yes, so see how you just wrap it around your waist? There's the apron. Fair trade, handmade in Palestinian territories is where it was made. So that's where the apron came from, right there. So it does go over a lot of information that you can read about where it comes from and the maker of the product, which is really neat to sit down and actually read. So let's keep going and see what else is inside here. Oh, okay. So maybe inside here. Yes, okay. So this is one thing that I don't have. You know, it's one thing that I've looked at several times and I've thought about getting, but it's something that I've actually pulled the plug to get. So that's why I was really excited that it was in this box, because you never know when you need one of these, and I didn't have one. This right here was handmade in Indonesia. And it's made of wood. It says directions: hand wash with soap and water, rub with oil. So you have this and this. It's a two-piece set. So there's that. There's the second item that is in here. Now we have is this right here. And I believe this is to hold silverware. Let's see where you are. Let's see. Palm leaf. Yes, this is a utensil holder made out of palm leaves. And this was handmade in Mexico. So you can use this for silverware, or you can use it as like a pencil pouch, markers, highlighters, that kind of thing. No telling what you can put in here. You can give it to your child to store stuff for school supplies or anything like that. Put it in your desk, or use it for utensils if you would like. So you can always use their little handmade basket type products or woven products for anything. It doesn't have to be what it's intended for, but it's made to be a utensil holder. And again, that's made in Mexico. And there's the brochure page for it right there. And yeah, that is just so neat how they make these. Like, they can literally make so many different shapes. It's so crazy how they can do that. They have some talent, let me tell you. So there's that. And then the last item will be right here. And this should be like a serving bowl, I believe. Yes, so here is the serving bowl. This is a really large size bowl. I was not expecting it to be this big, but it is very nice. It's like sign down there. And if you hear that, it just started pouring. I thought it was clear, like I waited an hour, it was dry, and now it sounds like it might be coming again, so don't mind that. So this is a serving bowl, and this is handmade in Morocco. And you can see like they have like all their vegetables stored in there, and then on the front, it's the whole little set. So that is everything that came in the chef box. We have a serving bowl that you can use for anything. You have a utensil, or a pencil pouch, I'm gonna call it. You have this guy right here, which I'm actually really excited to have. And then you have an apron. So that is everything that came in this chef box, you guys. This was my June box for 2021, and this was the theme that I chose. If you want a little bit more information about Globein, I'll let you know right now. I do have a code, which is SheCrafty. That'll get you 50% off your first month's box. And what Globein does is they start with a 3-month subscription or higher. So you can do 3 months at $40 a box. You can do 6 months at $37 per box, or you can go to 12 months and pay $35 per box. Every month, select a unique box containing 3 to 5 handcrafted items ethically sourced from artisan creators around the world. We deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We help our customers discover amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their home. Through the delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their businesses global reach as we connect them with customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. And they do. In the magazine, they do talk about their stories, where they come from, all that kind of thing, which is really neat, like I said, to sit there and read so you know where your stuff is coming from. I almost knocked my box over. And there's that. So that is everything that I have to show you for this month's Globein box, you guys. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that came in the chef box? What do you think of Globein? I just love that you can choose a theme and they have so many different things. It's not like there's only 3 or 4 and you're sitting there scratching your head trying to figure out which one just to choose. They have so many of them that you're sitting there like, oh gosh, which one do I choose? Which is better to have more options than not. So I definitely love Globein. I love what they stand for. I love that they give back. I love that they find all these remote artisans in long distant worlds through the country, and they bring them to our door while we're safe at home and we get to enjoy all of the wonderful products that they make, which I absolutely love. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.